on today's ride. Bit of cross-country riding, back round to Rojales. Bring it back in a minute. We're on the Kona today. About to go off-roading. Never been up here before, but we'll find out. Just a bit rocky. Anyway, we're going that way. I've just come up this path here from Marina down the bottom. It's quite warm today actually. The bike's just there. Some kind of water reservoir there. Here we are at La Marina view. So that's La Marina down there. We came up from where that red block of flats is over there, up the side and then round.
My friends, they all told me, man, there's something gonna change your life. My friends, they all told me, man, there's something gonna change your life. Gotta have that brown sugar, man, it's just gonna change my life. Man, I got to have that brown sugar, man, it's just gonna make me feel so right.
gravel entry over there in the distance. Here we are at San Florencio. All the trees have had a haircut, look. Here we are at Rojales.